Is your kitchen routine stuck in a rut? Tired of greasy, time-consuming meals that leave a mess? This Crux X Marshmello 3.0 Quart digital air fryer with TurboCrisp Technology is here to revolutionize your cooking game. This sleek, lavender-hued appliance isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Combining cutting-edge technology, vibrant design, and user-friendly features, it delivers crispy, healthy meals with minimal effort. Why the Crux X Marshmello air fryer stands out. Imagine whipping up golden fries, juicy chicken wings, or even cupcakes in minutes, without the guilt of deep frying or the hassle of a cluttered kitchen. The Crux X Marshmello 3.0 Quart air fryer makes it possible. Designed in collaboration with world-renowned artist Marshmello, this air fryer blends style and functionality. Its TurboCrisp technology ensures every bite is perfectly crispy on the outside and tender inside, while its compact 3-quart capacity is ideal for small gatherings. Whether you're a busy professional, a dorm-dwelling student, or a health-conscious foodie, this air fryer delivers. Key features that make cooking a breeze. TurboCrisp technology. This patent-pending innovation cooks up to 50% faster than traditional ovens, delivering a perfect balance of crunch and moisture. Say goodbye to soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken. 1300-watt heating system. Powers fast, even cooking for juicy results every time, whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking. Ideal for quick air fryer meals. Touchscreen controls with presets. The intuitive digital panel offers pre-programmed settings for fries, wings, veggies, and more, making it beginner-friendly. 3-quart capacity. Perfect for 2 to 4 people, it handles up to 2.5 pounds of food, great for small households or intimate dinners. 60-minute auto shutoff. Timer ensures safety and peace of mind with an audible tone, so you can multitask without worry. Dishwasher-safe components. The PFOA-free non-stick basket and crisping tray make cleanup effortless, saving you time. Bonus accessories. Includes 4 custom Crux X Marshmello silicone cupcake molds and a TurboCrisp crisping tray for creative cooking. Stylish lavender design. Compact and modern, it adds a pop of color to any countertop, resembling Marshmello's iconic helmet for a touch of whimsy. Benefits that transform your kitchen routine. Healthier meals, effortlessly. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, you can enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free. From crispy zucchini fries to tender salmon, it's perfect for low-fat air fryer recipes. Time-saving convenience. The TurboCrisp technology and presets cut cooking time in half, making it ideal for busy schedules. Whip up quick air fryer dinners in under 20 minutes. Versatile and fun. Beyond frying, it bakes, roasts, and reheats. The included silicone molds let you experiment with desserts, adding creativity to your air fryer recipe ideas. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe parts mean no scrubbing or soaking, freeing up time for what matters. Perfect for low-maintenance kitchen gadgets. Space-saving design. Its compact size fits small kitchens, dorms, or apartments, making it a top pick for best air fryer for small spaces. Solving real cooking problems. Cooking can be a chore. Greasy pans, long prep times, and unhealthy ingredients often make it less enjoyable. The Crux X Marshmello air fryer tackles these pain points head-on. No more greasy mess. Unlike traditional frying, this air fryer uses hot air circulation, eliminating oil splatters and reducing cleanup. Fast meals for busy lives. With its 1300-watt system and presets, you can prepare healthy air fryer meals in minutes, perfect for weeknight dinners. Health without sacrifice. Enjoy crispy textures without the calories, making it easier to stick to healthy eating goals. Who's it for? This air fryer is perfect for small households, couples or small families, 2 to 4 people, who want quick, healthy meals. Students, dorm dwellers needing compact, easy-to-use appliances for air fryer dorm recipes. Health enthusiasts, those seeking low-calorie air fryer recipes without compromising flavor. Creative cooks, foodies who love experimenting with air fryer baking ideas using the silicone molds. The verdict, a must-have for modern kitchens. The Crux X Marshmello 3.0 Quart. Digital air fryer is more than an appliance. It's a ticket to healthier, faster, and more creative cooking. Its TurboCrisp technology, user-friendly controls, and stylish design make it a standout for best air fryers. Whether you're craving crispy wings or baking cupcakes, this air fryer delivers with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Its compact size and easy cleanup make it a no-brainer for small kitchens, while its health benefits align with healthy lifestyle trends. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.